Just wanted to hop on here real quick before I do my little weekend montage. I went to Ramona, California for a quick Airbnb trip, and we stopped by La Jolla because we couldn't check until 3. But it was super fun, and then we passed by Oceanside the next day, and yeah, I think it was really fun and really needed a little like staycation situation, and I hope I could do more of those in this year. But yeah, okay, enjoy. Thank you. Squad. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi baby. You're about to have hot chocolate. Airbnb, and now we're gonna go back to this like all natural store that we've already gone once. We're going twice because they had these bomb donuts and cookies, and I'm gonna see if they have coffee there. Otherwise I'm gonna have to get from, I think, like Dunkin' or Starbucks, but it's fine. And he's getting them monies. Exhausted, so I'm signing off now. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for clicking on this video.
Thank you to the 14 subscribers.
Thank you. Thanks for the 5 views. Y'all are real ones. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. She's gorgeous.
La polla.